Welcome back to this is like a little update video, I guess you could say, on the car. And as you can see, it is not here in the bay behind me because I am cleaning everything to, oh, you just saw it, prep for paint, and that is because it is right there outside on the ground rolling because I have to clean this, all of this mess still right here, all that and all that over there, like right all the way over here. I got the majority of it done though, but still got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I know it's been like a month since I uploaded a video on this car, but we've been working on it. We've been working on it pretty good. So here's what we've got done so far. The car is completely stripped of paint and whatnot. We took the windshield out, took doors off. This door we're fitting because we had to modify this door to work with this car. So, but this door is off. My dad is welding subframe connectors in here because I don't know how to weld. The hatch is off. We've done quite a bit of work on the hood. The quarters as well have received a lot of work. The roof has gotten a substantial amount of work, as well as the A-frame here on the window and like everything around the windshield. Motor's out. Motor and transmission is out and is actually for sale too. But motor's out, transmission's out. We're basically ready for primer except like a few small things. One of which is we got to fix this hole in the floor, like that giant hole in the floor. So we got to fix that. We got to weld these subframe connectors in still. Tape up some of the windows, tape up the wheels, and then just lay everything out on tables and spray it for the most part. But here's oh, there's the engine that's been taken out of it. It's a reman stock. Well, yeah, it's stock minus the intake and carb, but it's a reman 302. It's got 20,000 miles on it. But yeah, we still got. Oh, here's the hatch. I'll show you the hatch. I'll show you all the hatch. So, minus all the tools, we've taken and filled all this in here. Filled all that. Filled that. Done quite a bit of work on the hatch and everything. This car originally had louvers on it, and I took them off because I don't like it. So I'm just trying to like make it, clean it up, and make it look like my dad's car used to be. So, but yeah, this is where we're at with the car for the most part. And I know it's like sporadic on uploads and whatnot, but I've actually got quite a bit of clips for this car and everything pre-recorded from like sanding the paint and body work. I didn't film taking the engine out because I was on a time crunch and I had to leave for work pretty soon. But yeah, I didn't film taking the transmission or engine out, which is like the only thing I didn't film. But yeah, I'll definitely keep you guys updated. You guys want to see a lot more of this, so this seems like it'll be a really interesting, like a, I guess you could call it a build. I just call it like a tinker toy, kinda, I guess. Something to play around with in just because. But I'll keep you guys posted as much as possible on this. But yeah, for now, that's it. And stay tuned for more. There definitely will be.